I've got this beautiful townhouse here today. It's 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 1367 square feet. Look at this beautiful open concept. This corner unit is built in 2013. You've got your living room, dining room, and kitchen all in one space. As you come on through, you've got this open concept. I love the dark laminate flooring. And look at this beautiful kitchen. You've got granite countertops, white cabinetry, double mount under sink that looks out into your beautiful courtyard, and you've got another entrance from your backyard. Plus, you've got a half bath on the ground level for all your guests. And here is the second level. You've got 2 bedrooms, and both bedrooms are absolutely spacious, as well as, of course, the master bedroom. And as you come on through, you've got your own full bathroom here for all the family to share. As well, a full-size washer and dryer, linen closet. This townhouse is perfect for you and your family. In this 3-level townhouse, here you have the top floor master bedroom. This room is super spacious. You got room for a king-size bed, tons of storage space. You got a walk-in closet here, more closets over there. As well, you've got a beautiful balcony that's facing east that looks out into the bright sky. As well, you've got your own master ensuite. This is your perfect oasis. And here is your own private courtyard. Of course, it's shared amongst all the other owners. However, look at all this extra space that you can utilize. If you want to take a look at this beautiful 3-level townhouse, feel free to contact me. My name is Denise Mai, and I'm more than happy to arrange a private viewing with you.